Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Welcome back to our CallSoft YouTube channel. Today, we're going to explore the world of SIP softphones and show you the top 5 free options that you can use on your laptop and mobile devices. Whether you're a business professional or just looking for a cost-effective way to make voice calls, these softphones have got you covered. So, let's dive in. Option 1, Zoiper. First up, we have Zoiper. This popular softphone is available for both Windows and Mac OS, and offers a range of features including support for multiple SIP accounts, video conferencing, and even screen sharing. Option 2, Linphone. Next up, we have Linphone. This free and open-source softphone is available for both Android and iOS devices, and offers advanced features like video conferencing, group chat, and even support for multiple SIP accounts. Option 3, CSIP Simple. Another option is CSIP Simple. This free softphone is available for Windows and Linux, and offers features like video conferencing, screen sharing, and support for multiple SIP accounts. Option 4, SF Phone. Fourth on our list is SF Phone. This free softphone is available for Windows and Linux, and offers features like video conferencing, group chat, and even support for multiple SIP accounts. Option 5, TalkDesk. Finally, we have TalkDesk. This free softphone is available for Android and iOS devices, and offers features like video conferencing, group chat, and even support for multiple SIP accounts. That's it for today's video on free SIP softphones for laptop and mobile. As you can see, there are plenty of great options available that offer a range of features and flexibility. Whether you're looking for a simple way to make voice calls or more advanced features like video conferencing, there's something on this list for everyone. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the section below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech-related content. And that's it for today. Bye for now. You can call us at 75 999 67999.